Welcome to this tutorial on how to access the two-pot retirement system calculator using SARS USSD code. Remember, you do not need to have airtime or data to use this channel. It is free of charge. Step 1. Simply dial *134*7277# on your mobile phone. Tap Reply and choose option 5 on the list, then tap Send. Step 2. Tap Reply and enter your ID number. Then, enter your income tax reference number. Step 3. Enter your annual income. That is the total earnings by an individual or business in a year before any deductions. Then, enter the amount you are planning to withdraw from your two-pot retirement fund. Your two-pot calculation results will then be SMS'd to you. Select one for the main menu or two to exit the USSD channel. Open your messages and view the results sent to you by SARS. The calculation outcome will display the following: the total annual income you have entered, your total outstanding debt at SARS, the amount you intend to withdraw from your two-pot, the tax amount you will be required to pay, and the final amount you will receive. Please be aware that the figures displayed by the tax calculator are merely a simulation based on what you have captured. The final tax calculation will be determined once the tax directive is submitted to SARS by your fund administrator. SARS, at your service.